Elon Musk just confirmed a $4,600 Tesla stock, TSLA, price target. Cathie Wood's ARK Invest has set a new price objective for Tesla Inc., and according to Musk, this prediction may very well come true. The revised price estimate comes as the high-flying stock has been in a slump due to geopolitical threats and speculation around CEO Elon Musk's plan to buy out social media site Twitter Inc. However, ARK Invest is more upbeat than ever. The latest price target for Tesla's shares is $4,600 by 2026, with bear and bull case targets of $2,900 and $5,800 respectively, according to experts from the fund. Why did ARK up their target price? And what is the rationale behind these figures? Keep watching to find out. ARK Invest announced a previous base case pricing estimate of $3,000 by 2025 last year. In an email obtained by Electric, Musk discussed ARK's revised $3,000 pricing target with Tesla employees, writing, "I agree with ARK Invest, assuming we execute really well. They appear to be on the right track, but can they reach a stock price of $2,500 in just 3 years?" Tesla announced impressive vehicle production and delivery numbers earlier this year, leading us to believe it's achievable. According to ARK Invest, the company's Robo-taxi operation will account for nearly 60% of expected value and more than half of expected earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization in 2026. This seems to be the basis of the firm's predictions, and as viewers will agree, Musk is quite firm in his belief of robo-taxis taking the firm to another level. At Tesla's most recent earnings call, Musk stated, "I believe robo-taxis can be a really powerful product." He added later, "I believe robo-taxis really will be a huge driver for Tesla's growth." He says the company wants to realize a specialized robo-taxi without a steering wheel or pedals by 2024. That's only 2 years to build, test, validate, mass-produce, and commercially launch a robo-taxi service that complies with state-by-state regulatory requirements. It will require navigating the permitting process of 2 authorities in California, Tesla's main market for passenger vehicle sales. Despite the tremendous hurdles, Musk maintained a positive attitude. According to Musk, the dedicated robo-taxi will be highly attuned for autonomy, which means it won't have a steering wheel or pedals. He also mentioned a number of other advancements that he believes are pretty intriguing. Cathie Wood is one of the most well-known investors in the market today, and her ARK Investment Management, ARKK, has been making waves in the past few years. The electric vehicle firm Tesla, TSLA, has been one of ARK's largest bets. Tesla's stellar performance has benefited Wood and ARK, with the company's market cap surpassing $1 trillion. According to ARK, Tesla still has lots of space to run, which recently raised its 2026 target price. According to the latest research study from ARK Investment Management, Tesla stock is anticipated to trade at $4,600 in 2026. This is over 5 times the price at which Elon Musk's company's stock is now trading. You may have seen ARK Invest's recent stock projection if you follow Tesla and the financial markets. While many people around the world, including those in government, are opposed to Tesla's full self-driving capability, ARK is growing increasingly hopeful about it. Tesla's potential robo-taxi company is included in the investment firm's newest future assessment. While some experts include Tesla's full self-driving capability and prospective robo-taxi business in their forecasts, the majority do not. This is most likely owing to the fact that the technology is still lacking in features, despite Musk's assurance that it would be ready by the end of this year. Regardless of Musk's overly positive social media tweets, there are still a lot of unknowns regarding FSD Beta's progress and the possibility of Tesla starting a robo-taxi business. When ARK contrasts its Tesla bull and bear cases, it estimates that Tesla's robo-taxi business might generate $486 billion in annual revenue by 2026, if all the right cards fall into place. On the downside, ARK estimates that Tesla's self-driving fleet will generate only $51 million per year during the same span. To put things in perspective, Tesla produced $54 billion in revenue in 2021, according to Teslarati. This comes as ARK grows more confident in Tesla's ability to solve full self-driving technology. Tesla's FSD system might easily improve between now and 2026, and it could probably reach a feature-complete level. But would that be enough to safely operate fleets of robotaxis? On the other hand, regulators could shut down Tesla's FSD technology, or, at the very least, progress could be slowed by a slew of related barriers. According to ARK, Tesla will attain full self-driving capability. The report states that, quote, "Whereas our previous negative case assumed Tesla will never introduce autonomous ride-hailing, our modified downside case predicts launch in 2026, 4 years later than Elon Musk anticipates." Musk has also grown increasingly optimistic about Tesla's ability to achieve full autonomy. He appeared confident in a recent TED interview that Tesla has found a scalable way to develop autonomous vehicles. He also mentioned during the Cyber Rodeo grand opening event that Tesla aims to construct an entirely new vehicle for its robo-taxi fleet. He stated that Tesla would strive to move forward with the majority of its active initiatives, such as the Semi and Cybertruck, by next year. Tesla's robo-taxi pursuit pits it against businesses like Alphabet's Waymo, Argo AI, Aurora, GM's self-driving subsidiary Cruise, Motional, and Zoox, which have been developing autonomous vehicle technology for robotaxis for years. It also raises the question of whether Tesla plans to abandon its existing complete autonomy approach or create one alongside it. For years, Musk has hinted at robotaxis, but never as a standalone product like the one he presented recently. Instead, he has claimed that an updated, advanced driving aid system called Full Self-Driving Software, which costs $12,000, will turn people's Tesla automobiles into their own robotaxi. Tesla automobiles come equipped with autopilot, a driver assistance system. Owners can purchase full self-driving, or FSD software, which Musk has promised will one day enable fully autonomous driving. FSD is unable to drive alone. It's a Level 2 ADAS, which means a human driver must still pay attention and take charge. Several films released by owners paint a mixed image of the software's capabilities, with several recordings showing the vehicles failing to manage basic driving and even straying off into pedestrians or another lane. To achieve autonomy, Tesla's full self-driving and autopilot capabilities have steadfastly relied on cameras and a vision-based approach. Whereas most other AV companies use a combination of cameras, radar, and lidar. However, on the call, Musk acknowledged the challenges of achieving full self-driving with this strategy, which ends up being a constant game of 2 steps forward, 1 step back. However, the Tesla model from ARK Invest currently excludes electricity, AI as a service, and humanoid robots. Musk described a variety of prospective goods at Tesla's Austin Gigafactory launch earlier this month, which represents a break from the company's current passenger car sector, which provides the majority of its revenues. A robotaxi and Optimus, Tesla's humanoid robot idea, were mentioned among those goods. From ARK's standpoint, it seems logical not to include those aspects of the business in 2026, because they all contain a degree of uncertainty, which would lead the model to be overly volatile. In recent years, Tesla has focused on its automobile sector, and this trend may continue in the future. This is due to the limited availability and scalability of the batteries. Furthermore, the solar sector is reliant on third-party installations, which makes scalability extremely challenging. According to Elon Musk, Tesla's software, including its AI training systems, is available for licensing as a service, but no potential partnerships have been announced yet. According to Morgan Stanley analyst Adam Jonas, Tesla is a renewable energy onshore infrastructure company, not just a car company. According to the expert, Tesla stock is cheap from this standpoint. Cathie Wood of ARK Invest has made the point that benchmark indexes don't provide real innovation. Wood then presented the EV leader with additional bull and bear examples based on 75th and 25th percentile Monte Carlo outcomes. For TSLA, the bull-bear range is $5,800 on the high end and $2,900 on the low end. The report stated, "We believe there is a 25% likelihood that Tesla may be valued at $5,800 per share or higher in 2026, ARK claimed in its bullish predictions. We anticipate there is a 25% chance Tesla will be worth $2,900 per share or less in 2026. Perhaps Musk will be proven wrong once more, and FSD will not be ready for a complete launch by the end of 2022. However, 2026 is still a long way off. Clearly, a lot will happen between now and 2026, and while many variables are already known, there will undoubtedly be many more along the way." Do you think Tesla can make robo-taxis a reality this year? Comment below.